Welcome to a journey into the world of luxury, comfort, and innovation. The top 5 best motorhomes you can own today. Let's dive right in. First, we have the Winnebago Boldt, starting around $230,000. Powered by a 3.0L turbo diesel engine, it offers advanced tech with touchscreen controls, a compact yet fully equipped kitchen, a cozy double bed, and a modern wet bath that makes life on the road effortless. Next is the Airstream Atlas, priced near $310,000. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis with 188 horsepower. It combines timeless design with smart technology, featuring a slide-out Murphy bed, sleek kitchenette, and a luxury 3-piece bathroom. At number 3, the Newmar Aire, one of the most extravagant motorhomes, with a price tag crossing $1 million. This powerhouse runs on a 605 HP Cummins diesel engine and delivers 5-star hotel vibes with a full gourmet kitchen, king-size bed, spine-inspired bathroom, and cutting-edge entertainment systems. Fourth comes the Thor Palazzo, 37.5, around $250,000. Designed with a powerful diesel engine, full smart home integration, a spacious kitchen with residential appliances, bunk beds for family, and a well-fitted bath for convenience. The Forest River, Berkshire XLT, priced near $400,000, brings a 450 HP engine, elegant interiors, a large refrigerator and induction cooktop in the kitchen, plush queen bed, and a walk-in style shower for maximum comfort. These motorhomes prove that whether you want compact style or grand luxury, there's something perfect for every traveler on the road. Subscribe to our YouTube channel ARK Reviews. Thank you for watching.